You gotta try one.
Oh!
Looks like bird food.
More, please.
Welcome back to What's Inside Family. It is another interesting treat tasting video. And I'm here with my friend Jake from the Sea Tollers channel. You can check him out in the link in the description. Right now we are in Puerto Rico. We're in a grocery store. We're going to buy a bunch of unique Puerto Rican treats. All right, here's the find. We got the Kinder Bueno hazelnut, the Tronky La Cubanita. This thing is just like a solid brick bar of something. A Honolo, I don't even know, guys. And this one, this was Jake's pick, Grizzly Goma Splash Acid. You can go to his channel and watch the treats that are the same treats with his kids, and let's see which ones react better to this.
Can't wait to find out.
This is gonna be an interesting one. And now I am all the way back in Utah. It was a nice trip to Puerto Rico. What other snacks have we done? Japanese snacks? It looks like cough drops to me.
What? That's it.
We did cotton candy.
What? Yeah!
So we've done a few different taste test things. Each one of you are going to have a chance to get a blind taste test. You just won't see it, and I'll give it to you, and you'll taste it.
No.
They're really excited about it, as you can tell. I have the treats back here with me. Let's get Look at this one, guys.
It's going to be nasty.
What's your guess?
Nasty.
All three say
Good. It's gonna be
Lincoln
good.
says good. London, open your mouth. London and Claire, open your mouths. Come on, guys, open your mouths. Just taste it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Claire, go. Same time. Lincoln, go.
It's a frog. Mine was a unicorn.
It's not as good as Poiful, but it's pretty close.
Good?
It's pretty good.
It's called Splash Acid.
Ew, there's something gross inside the middle of it.
It's called Grizzly Gomez Splash Acid.
Grizzly Adams did have a beard.
And it's got these crazy frogs and turtles. But you guys actually liked it, right?
Yeah.
I think they look good.
I don't touch it with my tongue because that's how I taste things until everybody else tastes it.
Oh, I didn't. You put it in my mouth, I just started chomping on it.
I thought it
That's
was
the
gonna be
acid.
like chocolate with nuts in it.
Okay, out of 10. 10 being what?
The best.
One
being
super
the
young.
worst.
Okay, go.
7. 7.
Go. 7, go.
5.
Ooh, why didn't you like it? What didn't you like about it?
I don't know. I just didn't. Maybe.
No, I'd
10.
rate it a
10.
6.
Whoa, 10!
No.
I'd rate it a 6.
9.
10 would be the best
9.
treat you have ever had in your
No,
life.
no. Cotton candy's the best treat I've ever had.
Okay, I'm not a fan of cotton candy.
Got 6 over here, and what over here, Lennon?
I said 7. 1. Yeah, 1.
So Lennon has gone from 5, quickly to 10, and now down to 1. All right, so this is a good one. If you're ever in Puerto Rico, get the Grizzly Gomez Splash Acid.
Selena Gomez.
Selena Gomez Splash Acid.
Well, I rated
This is the second one. Ahonjoli confetti. Looks like bird food.
I don't want to. Why don't you give us the ingredients first? I don't want to be eating this.
I'm eating it.
I'm not.
Okay, go ahead, try it up. Open her up.
No, thank you. Looks like tiny.
Just open it up and have a bite of it, guys.
Yep, that's what I'm doing.
That's not what I'm doing. Let's see.
Oh, Lincoln lost his. Replay right here.
I don't want one.
You gotta try one.
Oh, no. It smells like coffee.
Oh, it doesn't smell it.
My gosh.
Oh, yeah, don't eat that one.
Yep.
That one's nasty. We have somebody in the building that speaks Spanish. Hunter! What does this mean? Does that mean coffee?
That's not a word
Smell
that
it.
I know.
Okay, go research it.
Okay.
Tell us the answer. And in the meantime, we're gonna eat something hopefully better. All right, so the rating system. Out of that one.
0.
3.
3.
Because it looks cool like bird food.
0.
So you're giving it, that's good, I like that. 0.
Question mark.
It's not a
Okay.
rating.
It looks like bird food. And I don't like the smell of Starbucks, and it smells like that. So
Plus,
0.
It's a 0 would be the worst treat you have ever tasted or smelled.
Yes.
Ever.
Yes, I haven't smelled worse.
Okay, great.
We've got an update.
Okay, so it is sesame.
Huh.
So like sesame seeds. In Latin America, they roast a lot of things, the way that they roast coffee.
So it's not coffee, it's just roasted
It's-
sesame seeds.
yeah.
Everybody say thanks, Hunter.
Thanks, Hunter.
Don't look. I'm not sure this one is actually from Puerto Rico, but it was a Puerto Rican treat.
I promise.
Do you
A
think it's
blind
gonna be
one.
good or not?
Yeah, what's your guesses, guys?
It's gonna be good.
Bad. It's gonna be bad. Bad. It's gonna be terrible. The worst thing ever.
Okay, Lincoln, you're up first. Open your mouth.
Okay, yep, it's good. I called it.
Open your mouth.
It's terrible, man. Don't eat it.
Okay.
That one is Kinder Bueno Hazelnut Chocolate.
Did
I
like
accidentally
Kinder.
smashed that one. Can you eat that one?
That is good.
And the next one is very interesting. It's this.
I already have.
You almost done?
Take
Here, Lincoln, grab a bite of that. Pull it off.
Ooh.
Claire? London?
Smells like nothing.
What in the world?
That is La Cubanita.
It looks like caramel.
Okay, go ahead, taste it.
We're eating!
All three of you, go. Not just Lincoln.
What is it?
It's actually good. So
I dropped mine.
wow, okay. So it's a bit strange. It has like a grainy texture to it. Like there's a bunch of little sugar things inside of it that you
Yeah,
can just
it's really
completely taste it.
Oh,
A lot of times people use this for baking.
It just had all these little grains in it. That's what it tasted like. It's like a bunch of just little tiny sugar pieces all lumped together in little pieces.
I don't like it.
You want some more?
No thanks. I think it was a 5 or a 6.
Wow, that's pretty good. Lincoln did like it.
A 4. Question mark, question mark, question mark.
Are you ready for the last
Can we
one?
look? Can we look?
This one is called Trunky. I just really like the name.
It sounds very tronky.
But it is made by Ferrero, which I think Ferrero makes those little tiny chocolate balls.
And Lennon, don't make any like ew or because we want to see what Lincoln says.
Hey, Lennon first.
No, I don't want to.
Take a bite. Take a bite.
It sounds crunchy. Like trunky. Like crunchy.
Lincoln.
Crunchy.
Take a bite.
Okay.
That's tasty. Have some more? More, please. Can I have some more?
Tastes like Kinder Eggs.
Crunchy wafer with hazelnut and chocolate
See,
filling.
hazelnut, that's what that
Yeah,
tastes like.
that's
But I don't like the crunchiness on the outside of it. There's too much crunky in it.
That's the last of the Puerto Rican treats. Guys, how would you rate this versus Japan? Which treats were better, the Japanese treats or the Puerto Rican treats?
Japanese.
Okay, a couple of Japanese were plain nasty. They're just nasty.
This one is the best out of everything.
Which one's that? Bueno? Okay, Lennon. Japanese treats or Puerto Rican? Which ones?
Japanese. Mom told me that I had to pick out gross ones that are different. And so I didn't pick any good ones.
So it's Mom's fault. All right, so there's Puerto Rican treats. Let us know what your thoughts are. Have you tried these before? Do you think they're good?
Yeah, I think they're decent.
What else should we do? Where else should we go? I'm going to Madrid, Spain next week. Maybe I'll get some treats from there and see what the kids think about that. But I like these worldwide treats. I like to see what things you guys eat around the world. So, yeah, thanks, Puerto Rico.
Thanks, Puerto Rico.
Gracias, amigo.
Burrito,
That was actually filmed there. Despacito was filmed there.
Yeah, I know. You filmed it at
Oh, yeah,
the place
I
where it
filmed it
was
there.
in the little city that I saw. It was really cool.
Bye. Treats.
Me?
It's a frog, so I'm gonna. I got it with my tongue out.